Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what's on my phone because it's a very big, it's a secret thing and it's a very personal thing, but today I want to share it with you. So, angry face. Because I'm all the time angry, I guess. Like whoever I talk to on WhatsApp or anywhere, they really make me upset. So I have to send that, or this one. I don't know what you call this. That big hug types. Yeah. Me, mom, and my dad. Isn't it beautiful? Ding, ding, ding. My favorite throwback picture. Wait, I'll show you. So it's a picture from when I used to shoot for Pavitra Rishta, okay. So that time, so this is a picture. I'm handling a camera, like a DOP. So this is my throwback picture, forever. There are a lot of people. I love to talk on the phone and I'll have to check. Okay, my mom, okay. And there are like a lot of friends whom I talk to. So I can't name those people, but yes, they're like a lot of friends. Okay, last three tabs are, one is FaceTime, okay, one is Instagram, and one is my camera roll. Every picture of mine is sexy, so every picture I've taken is sexy. So yeah, nothing special, but if I have to choose one, I'll show you, wait. And this is not sexy, this is very beautiful. Nice. Least used app, I guess Twitter, because I don't go on Twitter much. So yeah, Twitter, because Twitter is more about talking, sharing things and doing that, and Instagram is more about sharing your pictures, seeing comments, good comments. So I don't like to play games on the phone. No, not at all. I'm not really good in selfies, but I have to find out that picture because I think me and Rashmi, my friend, we went to Bangkok and we've taken a lot of selfies, and she's not that good in selfie, but I am really good, like in comparison to her. So there are like few selfies, but I have to just search for that picture. So right now I don't have it. No worst selfies for me. I delete every worst thing from my life. 10,000. Third last. I choose to be happy. That's my third last picture. Gallery. I don't disclose it. I don't want to disclose my famous people. Myself, Ankita Lokhande. Ha ha ha. I guess Instagram. Yes, I'm always there on Instagram. So. बोलना आंटियाँ क्या करती Yes, that's a song. It's on a loop, but it's a funny song. I like it. You're not listening to it? बोलना आंटियाँ क्या? What else? Today morning, because you guys were coming, so I have to get up early. I have to get ready. So yes, yeah, 10 o'clock. I hope you guys really enjoyed peeping into my phone, which is very interesting. So I hope you like it. So like, comment and subscribe to Pinkvilla.